exercise 11.1, ninth one. Find the center and radius of the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. So to find the center and radius, first we have to write here coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square should be 1. So divide the equation by 2. So we get x square plus y square minus x by 2 equal to 0. Now combine the x terms. So we get x square minus x by 2 plus y square equal to 0. Now we want to make this a perfect square so that we can write this in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So to write in that standard form, we have to make it a perfect square, x minus h whole square. So to make a perfect square, we have to add half into coefficient of x whole square. Half into coefficient of x, that is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole square. So when we add that number to this expression, becomes a perfect square. So half into minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 square, that is 1 by 16. So we have to add 1 by 16 to this, so that becomes a perfect square. So when we add 1 by 16 in the left side, we have to add 1 by 16 in the right side also. So here x square minus x by 2 plus, we are going to add 1 by 16. 1 by 16 plus y square equal to, right side also we have to add 1 by 16. So 0 plus 1 by 16, 1 by 16. Now this become a perfect square and it is same as a minus b whole square. So square root of x square, that is x. Second term is negative, therefore a minus b whole square minus. Then square root of 1 by 16, that is 1 by 4. So it will become x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus y square equal to 1 by 16. Now it is in the standard form. This is the equation of standard form of equation of a circle with center hk and radius r. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So center of the circle is hk and radius is r. So now it is in that form. Comparing with that standard form, we can write center and radius of the circle. So compare with that form, x minus h. In the place of h, it is 1 by 4. X minus h whole square. So x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So h is 1 by 4. So hk center equal to 1 by 4. Here y, it is same as y minus 0 whole square. So in the place of k, it is 0. So hk equal to 1 by 4 comma 0. So center of the circle is 1 by 4 comma 0 and radius r in the place of r square 1 by 16. Therefore r equal to radius is 1 by 4. So r equal to radius equal to 1 by 4. That is square root of r square equal to 1 by 16. Therefore r equal to 1 by 4. So center hk is 1 by 4 comma 0 and radius is 1 by 4. Now second one, 10th one. Find the equation of circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So we can take the general form. Let the equation of the circle be, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. We take the general form of circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So suppose this is the equation of the circle we want to find. Here question is find the equation of circle passing through these 2 points and whose center lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So we want to find the equation of circle. So let that equation of that circle be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So in this equation we want to find h, k and r. These 3 things we want to find. For that the conditions are given. So name this equation as equation 1 and given that this circle passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5. So these 2 points we can substitute in equation 1. So it passes through 4, 1. Therefore we can write substitute x equal to 4, y equal to 1 in the equation. So that is 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. One equation we got. Given that the circle passes through 4, 1. So we can substitute that 4, 1 in that equation. Means in the place of x we can substitute 4. In the place of y we can substitute 1. So we got this equation. Name that equation 2. Now second condition we can apply. Given that passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5. Now we can substitute that. So it passes through 6, 5. So next we can substitute this point in the equation. Therefore, what we can write? Therefore, in the place of x we can write 6. In the place of y we can write 5. So we get 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Name that equation 3. Now one more thing is given. Whose center lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Whose center means we want to find the equation of this circle. This is the circle we want to find. In this we want to find HK. HK is the center of the circle and radius is r. That we know. HK is the center of the circle. So given that center of the circle, that is HK, lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So center of the circle HK lies on this line. That means HK we can substitute in this line. In the place of x we can write h. So we can write using that condition. HK lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So we can substitute HK on this in this line. In the place of x we can substitute h. In the place of y we can substitute k. So we get 4h plus k equal to 16. 4h plus k equal to 16. That is one equation. That is equation 4. So now we got these three equations. This 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. Equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Using these three equations we have to solve. And we have to find h, k and r. Three things we want to find. First, so consider this is a linear equation. These are quadratic. So consider, let this be here 4h plus k equal to 16. That is one equation, equation 4. Let it be here. Now you are using these two equations, equation 2 and equation 3. See these two equations. In these two equations, the right side is r square. So we can equate the left side. So from 2 and 3, we can write from equation 2 and equation 3, we can write 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square. So you since RHS are equal, left side are also equal. So equating this, now we can expand and simplify. And here there will be h square, here there will be k square, here h square, here k square. So h square and k square will be cancelled from both sides. So we get a linear equation in h and k. Here already we got one linear equation in h and k. Solving these two will get h and k. So here, let this equation be here. Now, so now we will expand and simplify. So we will expand and simplify. A minus b whole square, that is 16. Then minus 2ab minus 8h plus h square plus 1 square 1 minus 2k plus k square, that is equal to, now right side, 6 minus h whole square 36 minus 12h plus h square, then 5 minus k whole square plus 25 plus k square minus 10k minus 10k. Now we can here h square from both sides we can cancel, k square we can cancel. Now here minus 8h, here minus 12h. Take minus 12h this side, so we get plus 12h minus 8h, that is 4h. Here minus 2k, here here minus 10k. So minus 10k, this take this left side. So plus 10k minus 2k plus 8k. Then here 8k. Then here 16 plus 1. Take that to right side. So here 36 plus 25. So we get that is equal to 36 plus 25. 16 plus 1, we can minus 16 minus 1. So that is equal to 36 minus 16, 20. 20 plus 25, 45. 45 minus 1, 44. Now cancel 4 from all the terms. We get h plus 2k equal to 11. So we got two equations, linear equations. H plus 2k equal to 11, 4h plus k equal to 16. Two equations. So we got two linear equations in h and k. Now we'll solve and find h and k from these two equations. So I'm going to write this. So we got one equation here. So already we got the linear equation. That means using the condition center lies on the line. We got this equation. We will consider that 4h plus k equal to 16. That was equation number 4. And this we can name h plus 2k equal to 11. We can name that equation 5. H plus 2k equal to 11. Then we can solve these equations. We can multiply this equation by 2. So we get equation 4 into 2, multiply by 2. So 8h plus 2k equal to 32. Name that equation number 6. Now subtract. So 2k same. By elimination method we are solving. So equation 6 minus equation 5. Equation 6 minus equation 5. 8h minus h, 7h. 2k minus 2k 0. 32 minus 11, 21. Therefore, h equal to 3. Now we can substitute in this equation. H equal to 3. So 2k equal to, therefore 2k equal to 11 minus 3. That is 8. Therefore, k equal to 4. So we got h equal to 3, k equal to 4. So we got the values of h and k. Now we'll substitute here and we'll find r square. Then substituting in equation 2. H 3 here. 4 minus 3 whole square, that is 1 square 1. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 square 9 equal to. So here h equal to 3. So 4 minus 3, that is 1 square 1 plus. Then 1 minus k, that is 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 square 9. That is equal to r square. So we got r square equal to 10. Now we can substitute in the equation. So this is the equation. So in this we can substitute hk. What is hk? So h equal to 3, k equal to 4. We got h equal to 3, k equal to 4, r square equal to 10. Substitute in this equation. Substituting in 1, we get the required equation. And simplifying, we will get the equation. So substitute h, k and r square in this equation 1. So you will get the answer.